Dear friends, we are excited to introduce Career Connector, a custom GPT tool developed by our AgilizTech team. This dedicated assistant matches job description with the candidate CVs, providing a professional assessment with an overall match percentage, individual score for each of the job requirement, and a detailed analysis of strength and area of improvement. Now, let us begin the demonstration with an example. Here is what we will do. We will upload the job description for a UI developer along with two CVs, one of Harish and one of Ravi. Then, we will give a prompt to the Career Connector to give the compatibility score for the UI developer job description with the two CVs which are attached. Here we go with the results. The results provided the overall match percentage, individual score for each of the job requirement, and a detailed analysis of strength and area of improvement for each of the candidate in comparison with the JD uploaded. Career Connector has helped us streamline our hiring process by giving an accurate, professional and unbiased assessment. It has made our recruitment effort way more effective and efficient. Just a heads up, the free version of Career Connector caps the CV of upload, while the paid version offers more capacity of CVs and job description to be uploaded. Give a try to the Career Connector and let us know what you make out of it. Thank you.